Hello everybody, this is Zen here. I want to give you just a couple of projected moves to look for this upcoming week, so let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's take a look at CFTC Rule 4.41. And basically this rule talks about the large potential rewards available trading the Forex market, but it also cautions to the large potential risk. And most important, please do not invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose. All right, first up, we're going to start with AJ. Taking a look at AJ, we can see that the low was set clear back here on Friday. This would be the 2nd of October, and we see a nice rise in price on Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday. Thursday, we get a nice retest or pullback to the 800 moving average. We finish the run on Thursday, and then we roll it back up on Friday. The projected move we're looking for is consolidation stop hunt to the top at a correction short. Next up, we have USD Canadian dollar, also known as the loonie, and we can see here that price has been trending down. Now we're looking at that weekly structure where price directionally trends somewhere between 3 and 5 days, or 3 to 5 days times the ADR. Clearly price has been trending low. It set a new low of the week, low of the month here on Friday. It retapped it here late in the session. The projected move we're looking for is consolidation, stop hunt to the bottom, and price to rise. Next up, we have Australian US dollar. And again, the Australian US dollar and the Australian Japanese yen, these two pairs are positively correlated about 95% of the time. So we're looking for the same setup here on the Australian US dollar. As you can see, price has been trending, set that high of the week, high of the month here. We are looking for price to consolidate, stop hunt to the top, make the correction short. Next up, we have New Zealand US dollar. We also recognize the correlation between New Zealand US dollar and the Australian US dollar. And once again, this pair, we can clearly see the manipulation happening as the market makers move price directionally for somewhere between 3 and 5 days, or 3 and 5 times what the ADR is here. And what we're looking for is price to consolidate, stop hunt to the top, and make that correction short. Now, they may go ahead and level up a little bit, so it might be a pretty deep stop hunt, level up in here before they make that true midweek reversal. So just stay on your toes and pay attention to how this pair plays out. Lastly, we have GBP USD. Now we can see the low point here on the chart. We see a retest here. We see some nice rise in price, but it appears as though it has not completed that weekly structure. So we're looking for price to consolidate, stop hunt to the bottom, and rise. Now, just as a word of note, Monday and Tuesday, we have bank holidays for the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. So there may be a little bit of stagnation in the market, so to speak, on Monday. We'll watch and see how it plays out. Just in a recap, GBP USD long, New Zealand US dollar short, Australian US dollar short, USD Canadian dollar long, and AJ short. Have a great week, and we will see you real soon.